I've never been into this kind of car. What car is this? Like just two-seaters? Like just you and me and nothing.
So you've never been in a two-seater car before?
No, this is my
Really?
first time.
Okay, so let me introduce you to this beautiful car. So I call this car my baby.
So does your car do this like MX-5? I'm hot.
No, sorry, but my car is not so advanced. There's no like voice command or anything, so you can't really do that.
No voice command.
No, sorry, there's no voice command. It's not like the newer cars where they have voice command, but no, sorry, no voice command.
Means your car don't come with tint.
No, it doesn't come with tint. Like now we're gonna go out in the sun so you can actually feel the tint. Not working because it's so like there's no tint, but actually I've been thinking about getting my car tinted actually.
You should.
I should?
You should.
Oh sorry, seatbelt please. Yeah, but the thing is I don't know how to go about it. I don't know what kind of tint to use. I don't know. I don't know, like you're from tinting, so like what would you recommend? I really don't know. Like I know there's like the security film, and then there's like the one that Bobby got from you guys as well. Like there's I'm just so lost. I don't know what all this tinting is, and 40%, and then like how many percent is at the front, how many percent is at the back, what's allowed with JPJ, what's not, what will we stop you for, what's not. I mean dah lah my car like this, somehow I always drop the top, so the JPJ always kacau one.
Nice, okay.
Yep.
But your car don't need security.
Why? Why? I thought for females we need security.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, actually. But for this kind of cars, you don't need security. You can't, it's not like you can't apply security.
Wait. As in like, what do you mean I can't apply security? Like the security tint? I can't apply
Yeah, you can't apply the security film thing. Like another extra thing. Because there's no point.
Okay, but why is there no point? Like I actually approached other tinting brands. They said like, yeah, there's no problem, they can do it. So like I didn't really get it. Like why?
I mean, yeah, you can do it, but there's you don't serve any purpose to it for your kind of car, and your car comes under this kind of category because you don't have a frame on your door.
Oh, I see.
So when you don't have a frame, you don't have a holder to hold your frame. So there's no point if you put security, it's still gonna break anyway.
So I actually need the frame from the door. So frameless door.
Frameless doors cannot.
I say frameless windows. Sorry.
Windows.
Frameless windows. Oh my god. Yeah. So frameless windows, we cannot put security film. So
it doesn't serve a purpose. I wouldn't say you cannot, but you won't serve a purpose to it.
It's just gonna be there. I'm gonna be paying a lot for that feature which has no purpose.
No purpose, because if anything, if it breaks anyway.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing to hold on it.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Well, now you know.
Yeah, now I know. I mean, like there are a lot of like other brands that be telling you, like, yeah, I can do it.
Yeah,
but they don't.
You can do it.
Yeah, but they don't. Yeah.
But I suggest you not to, because there's no point.
Okay, so like for my kind of car, then how?
I mean, if you're concerned, like of course you gotta know where.
Exactly.
Me being a girl, I myself put my things everywhere.
Exactly, right? I mean, like, okay, we all know girls, right? And I'm considered one of the neater ones. Like, you should see my mom's car. I tell you, she has a Honda Civic.
This can be a neat car.
Right? See, I'm telling you, my mother, right, at the back, everything everywhere. Like, I don't know what so much stuff for. And the car can sit five people initially. Now it can only sit 2. Like, the back is filled with stuff.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
We only keep our house clean. We don't keep our car clean.
Wow. Okay, so maybe I'm not in that category. Okay, so for example, I have only 2 seats, you can tell. So like
Seats, yeah.
2-seaters, usually I put my bag, like if I have any bag, usually I put it in the boot. But sometimes I'm like, oh, I left something in my bag, so I have to stop the car and go to the boot and take something, which is sometimes a little bit troublesome. Yeah, or I have to put it behind the seat here, which also sometimes will be a little bit troublesome. Yeah, exactly. So like what would you recommend for a frameless window?
Frameless, usually I recommend you can do it darker, where you can have your own privacy. No one can see what's going on inside, you know?
True. So like if I have another passenger, people won't be able to see as well. Because we all know when people actually break into cars, it's based on how easy it is to break in,
what
right?
they can see, like bikes or something, you know, they can see through. Just quick attack.
True.
And this window is so easy.
Yeah, right? Some more cannot put security film.
Yeah.
Okay, but we can use the darkness factor, I guess.
Yeah, I think one of the best way you can do.
Because I remember Bobby was always telling me, don't care, just tint your car as dark as possible so people cannot see.
True, Bobby's not wrong.
I actually like if my tint is black lah. I look like quite gangster, like people don't know who's driving this. Some more my car black, kan?
Yeah.
Okay. So like actually, do you use the Glastec tint as well?
Yes, I do. Of
Okay.
course.
Which one do you use? Like, do you use the
I'm
one that?
using Alpha.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So like, what's the difference between Alpha and Omega besides the security tint?
Okay, Omega, of course, we know it's the best heat rejection it gives.
Mm.
But the thing is that Omega is brighter little.
I see. I
Yes.
see. Okay.
So,
okay. So Alpha
it
is
does
the
give a very cooling feeling inside
Okay.
your car, but it's still bright.
I see.
Alpha, it's a little darker.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Like I want a darker tint
Yeah.
as well, right?
And it's nice. And
So-
it gives the best heat dispersion anyway. So it's split out.
So do you feel any difference like with and without the tint? Of course, you're gonna say yes lah.
Of course. Oh, you don't know.
Oh,
Before
come on.
I joined Glastec, I was
Uh-huh.
using, I don't know what it was, just a film like that.
Those by the roadside is like cheap, cheap, cheap.
yes.
I would
Then
actually go for that kind of thing as well. Because I'm
and
interested,
I
like
have
them
no
kiap siap.
knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, until I start working here. Oh my god. I
Okay.
feel like a smart one now.
Really? Yeah. So like, what kind of differences do you experience?
Oh, it's so hard. My friends will never sit in my car.
So you use Alpha.
Yes.
Okay, the one that you recommend me as well.
Yes, I
Okay.
recommend you as well.
Okay.
So when I started using it, the moment I applied it, the same day when I took out and I wanted to go back home,
Yeah.
I drive out. I was using this road anyway,
Okay.
and I was like, oh my god.
There's such a difference, is it?
Yes,
I don't believe, Lord. Really, man?
it does. I called my mom up. You know, you should get this tin. You know. And then I started calling my friends. I mean, you guys should get this tin. You guys should get this tin.
Really?
It's so good. It's so clear. First, and then you don't feel
You don't
hot.
feel it.
And every day, every morning when I'm travel, I stuck in the gym for 1.5 hours
Yeah.
maybe coming to work.
Yeah.
Like I don't have to worry about me pinching my eye in the
Okay.
morning with the direct sun.
Okay, this
Yeah.
is one question I have to ask you. I see you put makeup. So do you put makeup while you're jamming to work?
Yeah, that's like my thingy.
Okay, so have you experienced with and without the tint? Doing makeup with and without the tint?
Without the tint, I never used to put it because one, it's too hot for me, right? So I can't take the heat
Yeah.
direct to the eye.
Okay,
So I always put down my
the visor.
yes. So it's difficult for me. So like this one, even it's direct, right? So it's
Yeah.
not you don't feel the heat that much.
I see.
It doesn't irritate your eye.
Yeah, because I'm curious, because just now, what Eric was telling me,
Uh-huh.
like your colleague Eric, he was saying that his wife, when he got the tint for his wife's car, he said the wife could tell him like immediate difference with and without the tint. So he was saying that when the wife was applying makeup without the tint, like she would sweat a lot and then she would have to dab her face and then the
Yes,
makeup
yes.
would like melt. But yeah, with the tint she doesn't have that problem anymore.
Yeah, that sweating thing. Okay, not my face, but usually my
Other parts,
bodies
yeah.
and all. You know, sometimes because it's too hot
Yeah.
in the car,
Yeah.
you start to sweat.
Okay.
That sweating thing happened before, but ever since I applied, right, I don't have to blast my aircon.
Okay.
Yeah, I just gotta, you know, like you have a number 1 to your level.
Yeah.
So I just gotta put like the minimum sometimes,
Okay.
and it's good enough for me.
So you don't have to blast your aircon. So you're saying that my aircon, I don't have to actually increase the blower speed. I can
No.
actually decrease the blower speed and still feel cool.
Yeah, because you even though with that you're driving out like daytime like this right now,
Yeah.
you can get direct heat, right?
Yep. Right.
So to balance it, you gotta increase your aircon sometimes just so you don't feel so hot. But when I applied my tint,
Yeah.
I did not. I just gotta minimize it and then it's fine. I don't feel the heat.
So
Like
I also save money and I save fuel lah. So
Yeah,
in the
like
long run,
right
it's
now.
a good investment. Can you feel the difference in my car? When you sit in your car and you sit in my car, can you feel
yeah,
the difference?
I'm actually feeling hot.
Sorry, I will increase the aircon.
Feeling hot. I didn't want to say it.
I'm quite used to it though. So yeah.
I didn't want to say that.
Okay, now I know it's okay. She can take it, she's okay, she's a good baby. My baby's alright, right girl? I'm gonna get you some good tint.
Yeah.
So like, let's say I want something that's, I wouldn't say like completely dark, but dark enough that people won't see. Because I also understand like if you apply it too dark, then at night you can't really see outside. Is that right?
True. But depending, like I think with our films, you shouldn't be having
Okay.
because as we say that we are technology advanced.
We shall see. Okay.
So we ensure those two.
Okay, cool. I'm going to hand my baby off to you, and I trust that you know. I trust you, I trust your recommendations.
Yeah, you don't have to worry.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm very scared. You make sure.
Trust me, you give me the next call. You'll say, "Oh my God, Natasha, you're right. I don't have to pass my on."
You really have to treat my baby very well, okay?
I
She's
know,
like
because
love of
that's
my.
what I love my little car too.
What car do you drive actually?
Oh, I drive my bee. That's my little froggy.
Oh!
You look like a frog.
Oh my God, you really have a love for your baby. That's the first time I ever heard anyone say that about her, especially a girl. Like, I love my baby.
No, I do. It's a car that takes me everywhere.
Wait, one day I think you drop the top drive, no roof. I tell you, you'll fall in love. Then you'll be like, I don't want my baby anymore. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. So since we're sharing so much with my audience, right? Of course, I love my audience and I think they're like great support system. Seriously, you guys are the best. So I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, give something lah. Give lah. Come on, Glastec confirm can give free tint or something, right? Cannot meh?
For your audience.
For my audience only. Yeah. For my audience only.
Yeah.
Sure, can ah. So you go give.
Okay, so in order for you to win this, you gotta make a short video
Okay.
on Glastec video flames.
Yeah.
And the most like will win. And in order for you to win this, you gotta insert our phrase here, Glastec, I'm hot.
Okay, so let me get this straight. I have to make a short video, post it on Instagram.
Instagram.
Do they have the hashtag?
Yeah, hashtag Glastec Malaysia.
Alright, so they have the hashtag Glastec Malaysia. Post it on Instagram. The one with the most likes will win your Omega.
Omega 2.0.
Wow, macam egg like that. Omega 2.0. So most likes win lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Duration, we will be giving you a month.
Okay.
We will go through 1
Yeah.
month, we will see.
Yeah.
And then we will accumulate your likes.
Okay.
The maximum likes will win your Omega 2.0.
So they can post as many times as they want.
As long your video you got
The most
the
likes.
most like.
Okay, and they have to
Yes.
do something creative with Glastec I'm hot.
Yes. And don't forget to like Glastec Malaysia on Facebook and Instagram.
Walao, plug in! Very good ah! Use me ah, plug in ah, very good ah. Some more use my phrase lah, use I'm hot lah, now you use me lah. Smart, right? This tint better be good.
You will not regret.
Better be good. Okay, can. So y'all know, we'll do this.
So if you like it, you gotta tell your audience then that you like it.
Oh, so now I have to make a follow-up video also.
Yeah.
Very
Because
smart. Very smart.
You
This
said you
was
gotta
not part of anything. Wait, what is this? Yeah. Because what? Because what? Because what?
Yeah, because you keep mentioning better be good, better be good. Yeah, so you
Better be
better.
Okay.
So
If not good, I will also tell my audience.
Yeah, if it's not good, you let us know so, so we know what to do.
Okay, deal.
Right.
Deal.
Deal.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys know what to do? You want free tint? Do it. Do it. Do
it.
it.
We are waiting to give.
Oh, really? Yeah, waiting to give.
Waiting to give.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
See, this is what happens when you don't have tint in your car. Ta-da! Tinted my car, my baby. Now my baby got sunglasses already.